Go back to jail, you bum! Don't start with me. I own this place.
I work and pull with Rick quite a bit. He's quite a character.
Everybody out there is right full of hot air. Windy Hill Farm.
What are you doing? I'm hooking up. This is a 1952 Oliver 77 diesel. She's a pretty tight old tractor. Let's see what she's gonna do tonight.
Ron Winship is a 1952 Minneapolis-Moline G propane.
So it runs on propane?
Yeah, yeah. They come from Oklahoma, and propane was a lot more prevalent out west than it was around here.
We work real hard at it, but it's all for fun.
Yeah, you ought to try that. Yeah. You get a cigarette in my mouth in your film. Don't record that. Taking some weight off, I'm too heavy. Checking tire pressure, making them even. It's a game, you gotta play it. Too many variables, hard track, soft track, wet track, dry track. You don't want to spin out, you don't want to go too fast. Dump it, give it hell.
What's that, dump the clutch?
Dump the clutch and give it all the throttle, go with it.
That's it, so there's
See it at the other end. I gotta go to a driver's meeting. And 5, same thing. You can put me last, but I'm gonna come out first.
Okay, up next we have Morris Marcel Jr. on the 49 Farmall C. Donkeys haul a load 108.92. 108.92 feet. That puts him in first place so far. 92.85 feet. 92.85. Bill Davis on Oliver 66. Bob Hammond haul a load 76.48 feet.
Well, I saw Ron Winship take that propane Minneapolis of his out the door. He could have gone around the track once or twice, but he had to save it for the fans, leave it in front of the crowd.
Next here we have Rick Parody pulling on Oliver 77. .32. By the way, that was a diesel Oliver.
That put him in first place?
That puts Rick in first place so far in this class.
Too much air in the tires, old boy. Take some more air out. I just took some more air out of the tires. They weren't squatting enough. I want a little more grip. I don't know what I placed. 122 feet first place so far. I gotta find out what he did.
Keep probably your squad.
Let me announce that. Let me announce his.
Where'd he pull? biting his nails.
I was not.
He's biting his nails. He's still in first, but I think there's one to go.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Nervous Nelly over here.
He'll slap me silly if I announce his defeat. Thanks for coming. That's what it's all about. Yank them till they don't yank no more.